So I want to talk now about some human error. If you're taking human factors and resource management, we go into much greater detail than in the safety management course. Um, but one of the things that I wanted to talk about was at least briefly introduce human error. So human error is important. It's a huge part of why accidents occur. 75%, this one says 75%, sometimes it's 80, of accidents are attributed to human error. Describes where errors occur, but not why. What are the sources of human error? Many things: decision making, cockpit design and controls, flight deck layout, communications, software, maps and charts, operating manuals, checklists, system procedures, and one that we've been bringing up quite frequently is automation. So, human accidents or human error or aircraft accidents normally occur by a chain of events. One of the models that you should know is James Reason's model of human error, where it looks at unsafe acts, preconditions for unsafe acts, unsafe supervision, and organizational influences. So if you look at the top right, moving to the left, bottom left, into an accident, we have latent failures that then turn into active failures. Sometimes you'll hear this called the Swiss cheese model. So the more holes, or the bigger the holes that we have in each of these areas, the more likelihood an accident will occur. So this is why we do risk management. We identify risks and hazards. What closes those holes are crew resource management, training, and risk management. Those are your big three things that close those holes to ensure an accident doesn't occur. So make sure you understand James Reason's model and how you can apply it to your flight training and flight operations. We also have organizational influences and unsafe supervision. We have preconditions for unsafe acts. And then we also have workload and the safety margin during flight. So again, this is just briefly introducing you to a few of these concepts so you have some basis understanding. So when we get into human factors and resource management, we can dive into this a little bit more thoroughly. The other types of things will have different types of errors: skill errors, decision errors, violation of rules, and perceptual errors, which leads to unsafe acts. I'm not going to go through these, but there's some chain of events, accidents here in this presentation. So go ahead and take a look at those, and I ask you some questions based on those accident-prone traits and how a chain of events can lead to an accident. So that's the important part for human error, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.